Well, greetings, Moody, historical geographers and historical geographettes. I trust you've gotten things all loaded and you've got Google Earth operating. Everything's moving smoothly for you now as we're getting started in our course, moving into week 2. Incidentally, if you do have any problems with the technology, end of the course with Google Earth or the internet, all those kinds of things, do contact its@moody.edu or call them. If you need the phone number, I can provide that for you if I haven't already provided it here in the course for you. But its@moody.edu or a phone call to them, they're always very helpful, is your avenue for resolving technological problems. As far as course content, subject matter, obviously I as a professor am your contact there. So just adjust accordingly as you need. But I trust you've got the technology end of it well in hand now and things are operating well for you. As you get started this week, take some time to read the little devotional I have here for you from Genesis 12. It really does tie in and will tie in with our study somewhat. And I hope it'll show you just how important it is to have a handle on some of the geography, or at least how understanding the geography will greatly enhance your study of your Bible. So now, with our faith fixed, let's go back to the course content concerns. And here, just as a reminder, are your second week's assignments. You can go into the week 2 folder as well, and you should, just to make sure everything's covered. But our lesson objectives this week with regard to the coastal regions, the Shephelah, and the hill country are twofold. We want you to gain a familiarity with the key geological and geographical characteristics of the land of Israel, utilizing the Google Earth software program. We want you to engage in the evaluation of Google Earth as a tool for the study of historical geography. Your viewing requirements this week are threefold. We want you to watch the instructor introductory video to 1. We want you to review the historical geography places.kmz file. That should load right into Google Earth for you. And then watch the online class example in the KMZ file 211, 212 video. You're going to be reading in 2 sources this week, your class notes and Beitzel's The New Moody Atlas of the Bible. You've got pages 1 to 4 on the coastal plain, pages 4 to 6 on the Shephelah, and pages 9 to 15 on the hill country. And of course, you can see there's some other KMZ files here for you to watch as you do that. And then, of course, you've got the page 16 lesson review. You do not, don't believe you send that back to me. Just watch whatever links are there. It'll make it clear. But do the lesson reviews. They will prove helpful moving forward. And then in Beitzel, in the new Moody Atlas of the Bible, pages 42 to 48, you're going to be reading It's a Valuable Land up to but not including the Jordan Rift Valley. This will help you again assess the value of geographical studies of Israel for your Bible study. Your discussion board question this week, after studying the maps thus far in Beitzel, is Google Earth a worthwhile tool for studying the historical aspects of geography in the ancient Middle East? What are some of the benefits and drawbacks of Google Earth? So enjoy that discussion board question after you've gotten through the work. But remember, you do want to post your discussion board response no later than midnight Friday night, and then respond to at least 2 of your peers by the following Monday night. One additional requirement, again, spend an hour or so experimenting with Google Earth. You want to get as adept, as agile with this program as you can, as that'll help you as we move forward through the course. I've been responding to your personal introductions this week. And it looks like we've got some really great, somewhat chatty, if not intimate group, and that's a good thing. And I see there has already been some inter-student fellowship as well, and that is very pleasing to see. Do take time to get acquainted, reach out and teach or touch someone. Seriously, do not miss the opportunity to get acquainted with one another. The technology is affording us all some rare ministry opportunities. If perchance you've not yet posted your personal introduction, please do so as soon as possible, and you'll have my thanks for that. And be sure to familiarize yourself with and access the other forums in the community posts. This is where we can really help one another. Synergy is a real support you're going to find in online education. A couple points of clarification. Remember, the MDL Academic Week runs from Tuesday morning, 12:01 a.m. Central Time, to the following Monday night, 11:59 p.m. Central Time. This gives you a full week with the weekend included in the middle to work on your reading, accessing the AV files, posting your discussion board thread with responses, completing your quizzes and exams, etc. So there's plenty of time there. But don't put off. My encouragement to you is to work a little bit every day, and then you've got those maybe larger time spans on the weekend to get things caught up and finalized. When it comes to discussion boards, it is best to post early in the academic week so that others have time to respond to your post. As I've said, be sure to make your initial discussion board post no later than 11:59 p.m. Central Time on Friday, so that others and you can reply and comment on each other's posts by 11:59 p.m. Central Time the immediate following Monday. As you know from week 1, I have already assigned discussion groups. Actually, don't have discussion groups per se. You're free to discuss with one another. I've already assigned these if there's a need. Again, this week's discussion board topic appears above. Well, there you have it. This week's announcement and email alert. Let's do the hard work and invest well now so that we can lay a firm foundation for the rest of the course together. And please don't hesitate to contact me if there's a need for or questions. And on that note, always email first indicating your course section as BI 2260-01. But if you have an emergency and need to talk with me, please call between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Israeli time. Remember, I'm teaching this course from Israel. I'm actually leaving. You're getting this on Tuesday. I'm leaving on Wednesday. Wednesday, I'll be in transit. By the time most of you are getting up on Thursday, I will actually be in Tel Aviv. I arrive there at 3 o'clock their time. That's about 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, 7 o'clock a.m. Central time here in the States. You can contact me while I'm there using Skype, and my address appears below for Skype, Greg Oreo X. And if you have an iPhone or iPad, you can contact me by FaceTime using my personal email address, and that's listed below as gregoriox@juno.com. Well, enjoy your week's work. I trust it'll be an exciting time. God bless.